once again we will continue. चैप्टर है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन और इसका सब टॉपिक है सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस. इज इट? सो वी कंसीडर द फ्लक्स इज वन सोलेनॉइड ड्यू टू करंट इन other. It is also possible that EMF is induced in single isolated coil due to change of flux through the coil by means of varying the current through same coil. Is it? This phenomenon is called self-inductance. In this case, linkage through a coil of n turn is proportional to the current through the coil and is expressed as number of turn phi b proportional to current. Okay, n phi b equal to Li, where constant of the proportionality L is called self-inductance of the coil. It is also called the coefficient of the self-inductance of the coil. When the current is varied, the flux linked with the coil is also changes and the EMF is induced in the coil. Okay. नेक्स्ट है इसी में एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू माइनस डी. ओके, नंबर ऑफ टर्न फाई बी अपॉन डी टी, और जब इसको ये डिफ्रेंशिएट करेगा तो आएगा माइनस एल डी आई अपॉन डी टी. सो नेक्स्ट है द सेल्फ इंड्यूस्ड EMF ऑलवेज अपोजेज चेंज, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज ऑफ द करंट इन कॉइल. Okay, so next one, it is possible to calculate self inductance for circuit with simple geometrics. Let us calculate the self inductance of the long solenoid of cross sectional area A and length L having n turns per unit length. Okay, the magnetic field due to the current I flowing in the solenoid is B equal to mu 0 n I, neglecting edge effects as before. The total in linked with the solenoid is n phi B equal to n L into mu 0 n into I, means current into A. तो इक्वल टू ये आएगा mu 0 n स्क्वायर A L मतलब लेंथ और I current, where NL is the total number of turns. Thus, the self-inductance is L is equal to n phi b upon I, and it is equal to mu 0 n square AL. Is it? So next है, if we will fill inside the solenoid with the material of relative permeability mu r, for example soft iron, which has a high value of the relative permeability, then L is equal to mu r mu 0 n square AL. Okay, so next one, the self inductance of the coil depends on its geometry and on the permeability of medium. Self induced EMF is also called the back EMF, as it opposes any changes in the current in a circuit. Physically, the self inductance plays role of inertia. It is electromagnetic analogy of mass in mechanics. Okay, so next one, so work needs to be done against the back EMF epsilon, establishing the current. Is it? This work done is stored as a magnetic potential energy for current I at a constant in a circuit. the rate of